labay ng bago eh. Mo up from the down. Okay, what can you say about the shoes, the sandals?
My sandal is quite difficult.
Difficult?
Because
Why?
you see, yes, it's not in my shoe. Hilarious.
It's ginger. The ginger can fit.
And you see the difference? Where is left and right?
Let me see. Oh,
Where's my left and my right? Huh?
arang ibalik ako no. Ano
Una,
nga?
did it? See? I don't know where's the left and the right.
Hindi mo malalaman saan yung saan yung kaliwa tsaka kanan.
Ang ina na ba?
So, okay. How about your bag? What
My
can you say about your bag?
My bag is, it's quite okay. It's still okay, but
Bagay ba? Ano to? Net? Ratan.
Japan.
Ratan tapos cloth. Hindi lang nilabhan. Okay, what can I see your bag inside?
Oh,
You
one
bring a
piece of wallet,
okay.
then just
Very hygienic. You bring with tissue, with alcohol.
wet.
With tissue. And this one about your obi.
This one,
What you can
No.
what can you say?
I cannot breathe.
You can't breathe.
If you want to wear this kind of cloth, you should not
Oxygen. You should wear oxygen. Let me see your back.
Oh, my back.
My back. Oh, it's so cute. She has a purple ribbon. Yeah. And yes. And let me see your hair.
Yeah.
Ano bagay yung hair mo kasi nga purple at saka yung ano mo purple din, di ba? Okay.
I know.
Sa mukha mo. Yung damit na lang. Okay, what can you say about your dress?
Overall,
Thank yung kimono.
overall, my experience of this is
Yeah.
7/10.
7/10. Because you choose the standard one.
Yeah. Why it's 7?
Mm.
You want to ask why it's
Why?
7, not 10? Because I cannot.
Because you have you have blessed on your front. You can't breathe. That's the only reason.
Yeah.
Hindi ka makahinga dahil nga masikip. Masikip siya kasi nga sabi niyo kanina, dapat mawala yan. Gifted ka kaya yan.
Yeah.
Tingin nga nasa ibabaw.
I don't know.
Lumugwa.
Ito.
Lumugwa sa itaas yung dibdib niya. Sa akin okay lang naman.
Sino naman?
Ay, walang flower sa'yo. Ako meron. Para kang sa Kristo. Ako parang madre. Meron siyang flower.
Color blue.
Yan aw yung if it's,
Akin, saan yun sa akin dito?
parang ito yung sa akin. Gago. Hindi ka to baliktad yung shoes ko.
Parang left lahat.
Pero pag naglalakad ka, alam mo, pag naglalakad ka, para kang matutumba. Try mo to walk or in the kaidan.
No.
Ne.
I don't know where's the left and where's the right. It's all left. Yan, handsome there, over there.
You see? Oh, kimi yotsura, kimi yotsura.
Ang sama kita na.
Kurungatura natin na niyan. Kimi yotsura. Ano ka ui? Kimi yotsura. I can say, for me I can say it's good. Kasi wala kasi akong dibdib. Pero may nahahawak naman. Hindi siya masyado masikip. Lumuluag na nga eh. Yeah, tsaka, yun nga, natatakot ako maglakad kasi yung shoes ko, yung sandals ko, para akong nakaapak sa kahoy na, iwan, hindi ko maintindihan. But, For me, overall, I can say 8 over 10 because nobody's perfect. But if you choose the the expensive one, you're gonna choose that 10 over 10, actually. Okay. Show me the ribbon, my back.
See the sun shining in your eye. Ay, pagdungo te. Ayan. Faint na faint. Faint na faint.
Para kung koi fish nito.
Mm.
Parang koi fish, no?
Ganap ka tayo ng ano doon. Ilog ka sa pa.
Ay, tadaima. Ah, tsukareta. Ipay, torimashita. Mata toritai? Mata toritai? Saigo toritai. Ja, koko de. Ah, koko desu ka?
はい、じゃあね、2階でお着替えですね。
二階ですかはい
はーい。
ありがとうございます。